Hi Ritika, how have you been?
Great, absolutely.
Okay, can you just brief us a little about this new collection which you're launching
The
right now?
collection is very flowy, very airy. It's a lot of mix of bright colors. I've used very happy colors. And it's not very heavily embroidered that you need to go for an occasion. You can just wear them for a wedding, for a lunch, it's not really like you have to wait for a wedding to come in the house to wear it. They're very silhouette oriented. They're very flowy garments, very short length kurtas. Generally to cater to a 20-year-old to a 30, 35-year-old. They're not meant for very aged people. It's a very happy going collection, very nice use of colors that has been
And
used.
what about the fabric which you used?
Fabrics used are nets basically and a hint of brocades. We've embroidered, tried to use very contemporary old looking brocades which are embroidered with dabka, zardozi and everything and sequences and all. But again it's not very heavily embroidered like front and back and all of that. It's just generally a nice silhouette oriented look than just a traditional looking kurta. It's basically shorter lengths and it's not really like the knee length kurtas and everything. I've just tried to give a modern feel to a contemporary looking.
Basically, normally is the design the same way, the way how Kimaya has a basic bridal collection kind of things?
No, not at all. The designs are not at all like that because if you see around, they're more like straighter looking suits and very heavily embroidered. These are very short length. They're like 32, 33 lengths and they show the knees and they're very silhouette oriented. They're very flowy, airy and you really don't need an occasion, as I said. I mean, Kimaya has a lot of very nice outfits, but at the end of the day, they're all very heavily embroidered. These are more like flowy and, they're not very heavily embroidered. So girls and people relate to it a lot more. They're very price effective as well. So you really do not end up, buying the wrong kind of outfit.
Great speaking to you, and trust me,
Thank you.
I'd love to watch your, on the ramp. Okay?
Thank you so much. Take care. Watch more videos at thehangout.com. Thank you.